Week at Tenby International School is all about promoting the enjoyment of reading.
The purpose of Book Week is to raise awareness of reading and how wonderful books are.
Reading broadens your horizons, strengthens the vocabulary, to improve literacy. It helps you in your writing, spoken language.
And so we have a range of activities throughout the week.
We launched our Book Week in Tips with a fantastic assembly where all the teachers dressed up as different characters from traditional tales.
Encourage the students to dress up in their favourite storybook character.
To share the books they love so that people are inspired to read more.
We paraded around the school so parents could see all the fantastic costumes, and then children were able to go back to their classroom and talk about the book, character that they've come as, and share all their stories so that everybody could enjoy and end our Book Week in a fun and exciting way.
I mean, who wouldn't want to dress up as a rabbit in a waistcoat? Yeah?